Take required length of wire. Now try to roughly straighten the wire. Make a loop keeping in mind the position of active and passive arms. Both arms of loop should be parallel to each other. Place it on the cast. Make sure the active arm is kept towards the tissues. Mark a point on passive arm 2 to 3 mm away from the loop. Give a 90-degree bend at that point. Mark a point on passive arm 2 to 3 mm from previous bend. Now give a reverse bend. Now we have to contour the retentive arms according to the contour of palate. Cut the extra wire. Give a tissue tag. Until now, we have been working on passive arm. Now we will work on the active arm. Mark a point in the interdental area of canine and vitreal incisor. Imagine the placement onto the cast and give bend towards the labial surface of canine. We adapt the active arm onto the labial surface of canine. Give a tag at end of wire. Your Palatal Canine Retractor is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video and also press the notification bell icon.